And thanks for joining School of the American Rifle. Today's video is about this little magical piece of metal here, this little magnet. We use these at our benches. We have them right here. This little alligator clip. This is one tool of many that we use to install the front pivot, detent, and spring assembly. Not a new concept. This won't work if you don't have a steel pivot pin. If you have titanium or aluminum, this won't work, but you basically stick the magnet to the pivot pin. You put the detent here and it holds it at this angle. We're going to come over to a lower that we've already put the spring in place. We're going to come in from the side and the magnet just sort of helps things stay in place, and we can seat our pin, and now our front takedown is installed. It can be more of a challenge if this pocket isn't drilled to the proper depth, but it's just, again, one tool of many. Very simple little doodad. If you don't want to buy these in bulk, you can come to there and there and take a look and see what's available. Regardless, I hope you found this video educational, and thanks for watching.